Hi Blake, this is Kevin, and this is my mobile app for the social media. So this is my app right here. Oh, actually, quickly, I complete all the videos, so this is it, and that's my app. So if I click on new status, and put testing 1 2 3 post, I get a new area, and it says less than a minute ago. I can reply to it too, so something I can reply to it. I can like it, dislike it. Mm, yeah, and I think that's about it for the app. Yeah, I could have applied to this existing one. So that's the app itself. For the code, okay, where do I start? Um, so let's start with the front end. So the front end we create for the client.js. We create a temporary account for the user using bear123. This gives us access to John Doe. John Doe is an alternative to Jane Doe, so we don't actually collide with each other. Um, Mutations are things that changes, for example. So in our case, our mutations are like in our ID. So if we like something, then it changes on the value. So if we come back in later, um, if we refresh this, it stays. Queries are what mostly are using being called. Request feeds get these properties after a user. Request response. So these are okay. So request feeds would just be these individual ones that we get, but request response would be the stuff that are nested inside. So I have testing 1 2 3, and something is inside. They get almost the same items. Um, the feed screen has all of the feeds inside. New status is this option up here when we click new status and we have the option to put in something new. Threads, the continuations of what happened or what news occurred. So this is 1, this is 2. Index is just the main, navigation purposes, and then server side. Where is everything? Okay, so index.js is our server, our Apollo server particularly. So the Apollo server handles two things here: a type dev and a resolver. So a type dev is pretty much just a schema in this case where we say that we want this and that from this area, and say that query needs to get back feed and response. User takes a string status. Then resolver. Resolver is how to when we actually get back the data, what do we do with it, right? So then, for example, query. When we get back query, we take the query, get the query, we base it up feed, we filter it, and we order it by X amount, and then get the value of it. So that's pretty much what the app does. From trying to explain this from the bottom up. Yeah, thank you.